All right, welcome back to the next video. This is actually video number 3. I called the last video video 1, but we had an introduction, which is video 1. We did the last video. I know I said I'd try to keep these under 5 minutes. That was about 26 minutes. But I didn't want to stop because I wanted to keep that thought going. I wanted to go through some of those campaigns so you would learn how I find negative keywords in my campaigns. Okay, so we're back here. Remember, I said I was going to go through the rest of my accounts. This is all the negatives I found out of every one of these accounts. I didn't find very many. So what I did is we started with these. Remember, we had Instant Pot, Smoke Eraser, and then we ended there. And I went back in. I found Vamoose Air Cleaner, and I'm going to make that an exact match negative. Now, I like to make all my my negative keywords phrase match, and it's just something I've done for a lot of years. It doesn't make a real difference if I'm doing that or broad, but I just like doing it. Okay, so it's a personal preference. You might want to just use broad match negatives. Okay, so we did these, we talked about these, and we did the Smoke Eraser. Remember, that was a product that they blow smoke through, and it's like a filter. That's kind of crazy. In fact, I'm going to try to find that company and see if they'll let me sell their product also, because I deal a lot with the odor control industry, and I talk about us and stuff. I don't no longer own a business. I sold that business 4 years ago, my restoration company, but I train people worldwide on odor control. And so it's one of my niches. And usually when I do a niche, it's like a business in a box. I have the website, I have the marketing, right? I have the products, I have the training, everything, right? So that's just how I do it. But you're probably not going to be in that same boat, but it doesn't matter. It's all done the same way. Okay, then I found Vamoose Air Cleaner, and I looked it up, and I'm going to show you the websites that I went through. And so I'm going to make that an exact match, because I want to make sure, some people search, cleaning the air and stuff like that because it smells. So I'm making that an exact match. And then I'm also going to use just the word Vamoose, right? Just that word as a negative. And then I found something called Kill Odor, and it's actually a product. It's actually they searched Kill Odor together, but it's really Kill My Odor is the website. So I put that one in also. Now, the only reason I'm not separating these like I do other ones up here, like Instant Pot and then Instant Pot together, is because Kill My Odor, I just want the negative when they put it together, because people can search Kill My Odor and I won't come up if I separate these, right? So I just want the negative keyword to be one word. And so there's a reason for that. And then same thing with Odor Kill. There's another product called Odor Kill, right? And then there's a product called PURT, P-U-R-T. And so I was thinking to myself, well, how would I spell PURT? And I might spell it P-E-R-T. So it's not spelled that way. It's spelled P-U-R-T. That's another product, but I spelled it P-E-R-T so I can have, just in case somebody misspelled it and spelled it like this, P-E-R-T. Then there's a Bubba's Pet Stain Removal, right? It's a company that sells a pet stain removal product. So I put it this way, Bubba's Pet Stain, and then I did Bubba's Pet Stain without the apostrophe, right? In case somebody spelled it like that. And then I just said without the plural, I just made it singular, Bubba Pet Stain. And then I just took the one word. Now, I know this is overkill right here, but I'm very protective of not coming up for bad words. So just in case, I put Bubba's with the apostrophe, Bubba's without the apostrophe, and Bubba. Okay. And so what I do with all these when I'm done, right? I just take all of these, right? And I grab them just like this, and I put them at the very bottom of my list here. So these are my lists, and I'm not going to go down to the bottom. I don't want you to see all my negatives. This is proprietary information that I've gained over 3 years, and I got several thousand negative keywords. So I put them at the bottom, and I have so many keywords that I don't want to have duplicates. And then I just go in here and I go to data and I go to duplicates. And if any of these are a duplicate, I remove them. Okay. And then what I do is I go over here, I copy all these, right? And then I just go over to my campaign, and let's do that right now. Okay, so here we are in the campaign. I went ahead and copied those keywords. I'm just going to go into the account, right? I'm going to go into my account and I'm going to go to negative keywords. I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to select a campaign, and then I'm just going to enter these negative keywords just like this, right? They're all in there, and I'm just going to save it. Okay. And that's what I do. I put them back into, and so I'm going to do this on all my odor accounts, all 67. They're all going to get these negative keywords. If I only had one account, right, I might only have one negative keyword to put in there because I niche this out, grab extra keywords, extra negatives, and put them into the account. And so remember I was talking about those other words like pert. So let's start with this one. Vamoose, right, was the first one. So there's vamoose. Vamoose is a product. So I definitely want that as a negative. Remember the other one was kill my odor? Well, there it is, killmyodor.com. And it's also a product. Right down here. These are products, kill my odor. And then odor kill was another negative I found, and odor kill is a product also, as you can see right here. Odor kill has their products. And then pert, here's pert. This is made in Canada. This is a hand sanitizer product, P-U-R-T, okay? So, and you've probably seen this on the shelves. I've seen it here, pert. And so then remember I spelt it P-E-R-T also. So I could have it both ways. And here's Bubba's. Bubba has a Rowdy Friends Pet Supply Company. So Bubba's is a Rowdy Friends Pet Supply Company, and they have a pet stain remover right here from Bubba's, right? And then, of course, this is how I did the search with Vamoose, right? All right, so thank you so much for watching. This was a much shorter video. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to get into showing you how to find negative keywords. If it's a new campaign or you're trying to figure out how to get more negative keywords, you don't have several thousand like me. You haven't built this up. So you got to figure out how to find negative keywords on your own. And we're going to start talking about that next. And that's going to be a few videos in itself. It's showing you how to find negative keywords. All right, get up, stretch, have something to drink, man. Get something to drink, enjoy yourself, and get ready for the next video. I can't wait to help you. And thank you so much for watching this far. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. All right, great. You made it to the end of the video. We really appreciate it. Look, if there's anything else you would like us to teach you, just leave us a comment in the comment box below. And we reply to every comment. If there's something that you want to know, if you need more clarification on the video you just watched, I will answer your question. Just leave us a comment. If you enjoyed what you're watching and you want to see more of what we produce, please subscribe to us below. Give us a like, and right there, right on the screen, right there is the next video of this series. And if you missed the previous video, just click on the link above. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.